this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 73 Plymouth Satellite. Speedometer does bounce around a little bit, and I think it's a little off. I think we're going faster, 55. Probably about 10 miles an hour slow, and head's probably a little dry, so she bounces a lot actually. May need a speedometer head or at least lubed up. But boy, the car drives. Steering wheel's off a little bit. Doesn't pull or anything, just steering wheel isn't all lined up, and that can be on how they put the aftermarket steering wheel on. Nice and quiet, not a lot of wind noise. You can drive it with a couple fingers. This is a pretty cool satellite here. Definitely get a lot of compliments on it. I actually already had a guy that come and looked at a different vehicle and want to take a picture of it, so it'll definitely grab some attention. And drives good, detailed nice, just nice driver quality car. So any questions? 605-695-7391.